Have you ever felt like you're working harder than ever, but your finances just aren't moving forward? You're not alone. For so many, the reason is hidden in plain sight. It's called the debt trap. It usually begins innocently. Maybe you buy that new smartphone on EMI. Then, there's a personal loan for a holiday, and suddenly, you're swiping your credit card for everyday expenses. Before you know it, you're drowning in EMIs, bills, and spiraling interest rates. Here's the reality. In India, this problem is bigger than ever. Household debt has climbed to a record 43% of GDP. Since 2020, credit card defaults have soared fivefold, racking up NPAs of over Rs 700 crore. Personal loan NPAs? They shot up by 51% last year alone, now crossing Rs 11,000 crore. But these aren't just statistics. They're real people. Families just like yours and mine struggling under the weight of growing debt. Why does this happen? Because most of us don't see the real cost of borrowing. Credit cards might feel convenient, but miss a payment and you could be hit with 36 to 42% annual interest. Personal loans? They come loaded with hidden fees and scary penalties. And if you default, your credit score drops, making future loans even more expensive. Imagine this. You borrow Rs 1 lakh on your card at 36% interest. If you stick to minimum payments, it might take over 7 years to clear, and you'll repay more than double what you borrowed. That's the debt trap. Small, easy loans that snowball into massive burdens. But here's the hope. You can break free. Track your spending. Build an emergency fund. Crush high-interest debt first. Live below your means, and let your investments grow. Because time will work for you, not against you. Escaping the debt trap isn't hard. It just takes mindful money management. Take charge today. Be intentional with every rupee. Your brighter financial future starts now. For more practical wealth tips, follow Wealth.Sync.